Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Honda Civic radio code. First, you'll need to locate your vehicle's serial number, which is typically on a sticker in the glove box or door jamb. Next, find your radio's serial number by holding down the 1 and 6 preset buttons while turning on the radio. This will display the 10-digit code you need for retrieval. Once you have both serial numbers, navigate to the official Honda Radio Code Retrieval website. You'll input your vehicle's VIN and the radio's serial number into the designated fields. The system will then prompt you for some personal details, like your name and email address. After submission, your unique radio unlock code will be displayed on screen and sent to your email. With your 5-digit code in hand, return to your Honda Civic. Turn on the ignition and then the radio. The display should show code or enter code. Use the radio's preset buttons 1 through 5 to input your code. If the code is correct, your radio will unlock. If it doesn't work, double-check your serial numbers and try again. Always keep a physical or digital record of your radio code in a secure location, like your owner's manual or a cloud storage service. This saves you time if you ever need it again. If you encounter persistent issues, don't hesitate to contact your local Honda dealership. They can often retrieve the code for you. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.